Here's a tip. Get some lighting so you can complete those late appointments. I don't know how many times I turned customers away because I knew it would get dark before or during the appointment. See, here's what happens. I would have a new customer call me. My day has already been planned out. So in my mind, I tell myself I can't do the appointment. I've made this mistake countless times. If I could do the math, I know I lost at least a few $1,000s. You know better, you do better. Earning more money in your mobile detailing business is totally up to you. It's more than just posting on social media, handing out business cards, or raising prices. It's about the way you operate your business. You're the professional. Educate your customers and clients about their vehicle, on how often it needs to be washed, polished, played, waxed, or sealed. Tell them the benefits on how it would extend the life of the vehicle's appearance. I can't stress this enough. Upsell, upsell, upsell. My favorite upsell is baby seat cleaning and headlight restoration. You're already there to clean the vehicle. When you bring these upsells to the customer's attention, they're thinking, he's already here. Why not? Who else is going to do it? Get out and make things happen. Stop waiting on the phone to ring. If it's sunny and nice outside, there's no reason why you shouldn't be out detailing. If you don't have anything booked, wash someone's car for free in an area that you can be seen by many. It can be your mother's car, sister's car, girlfriend, wife, or even your own. It's only going to cost you a few drops of soap, water, and a few squirts of tire shine, and just watch people pull up inquiring about your services. Have those business cards on deck, because those inquiring customers will ask for them. There's a high chance that someone will get their vehicle cleaned on the spot. When you give a card to an inquiring customer, ask for their phone number so you can follow up. If they don't call you in a few days, give them a call to see if they would like to book an appointment. Some of those people will lose your card.